Hello traders, and you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. So before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, I am reviewing the Double Hedge EA for MT4, and in this video, I'll walk through the MQL5 Marketplace page, take a look at the features provided by the developer, review the historical backtesting results, and then share my overall thoughts. Okay, starting with the Marketplace page, we can see that this expert advisor is listed by Peter Krupa and is currently available as a free download. The version shown here is 1.1, and according to the description, the EA is also referred to as Algorithm EA or Double Hedge EA. The developer explains that the system uses what they describe as a double hedging mechanism. The page states that the EA opens a trade in the trending market regardless of direction and includes optional take profit and stop loss settings. However, the description notes that these are not necessarily required because the system can also utilize basket profit management and a predefined number of open positions. Looking further through the details, the developer recommends a minimum deposit of around $1,000 and suggests a starting lot size of 0.01 lots. The marketplace page also explains how the hedging process works. According to the description, when the market moves in an unfavorable direction, the EA begins placing opposite orders as part of its hedging approach. The developer states that positive positions are intended to help offset losing positions while maintaining margin balance. Now, as we move into the settings section, several configurable inputs are available. These include the distance between orders, take profit and stop loss values, lot multiplier settings, profit and loss currency targets for closing all orders, and the maximum number of orders allowed in the market. These parameters give users flexibility when adjusting how aggressively or conservatively the EA operates. The developer also specifies that the recommended time frame is the 30-minute chart and states that the EA can be used on any currency pair. Now, let us move over to the historical backtesting section. When reviewing backtests, I always treat them as historical analysis rather than an indication of future performance. Okay, backtesting can provide useful insight into how a system behaved under previous market conditions, but it should never be viewed as a guarantee of future results. All right, looking through the completed report that we have displayed here, okay, this is not really clear enough. I guess we're just going to proceed straight to our strategy tester. All right, let's see how the EA performed over the past 3 months. So we're testing the Double Hedge EA on Euro USD on the M30 time frame as recommended. All right, and I'm using the every tick modeling. Looking at the report, I can see that from an initial deposit of $50,000, the total net profit was $215.28. The total trades taken were 208, out of which 102 were profitable, giving us a 49.04% win rate. Now, the largest profit was 97.92, largest loss was 39.84. The average profit was 8.45 and the average loss was 6.1. So that means that the risk to reward ratio is not very excellent, but at least manageable, right? Quite okay. So now let us just turn on the visuals. Let us see how the EA looks in action. Okay, so we are maintaining the settings and just turning on the visuals. All right. So now looking through the historical testing data and the chart activity, we are evaluating how the EA managed positions over the testing period. All right, we can also see how the EA seems to be using a sort of grid technique. Okay, this seems to be a sort of combination of greed and hedging, because here I can see it seems like the EA is executing both buy sell at the same time, and then also making opposite trades at the same time. All right. Now, based on the information provided by the developer, the system's behavior is centered around its hedging approach, where additional positions may be opened when price moves against existing trades. As always, I would recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Testing over extended periods often provides a clearer picture than relying on a single historical sample. So when analyzing the historical chart activity, it is helpful to pay attention to how position counts change over time, how basket management influences trade closures, and how overall drawdown develops throughout the testing period. These observations can often reveal more about an EA's behavior than headline profit figures alone. Okay. So as for the historical backtest results, remember that historical testing performance can vary significantly depending on risk settings, lot size selection, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, market volatility, and any optimization choices made by the user. Overall, the double hedge expert advisor is presented as an MT4 expert advisor that utilizes a hedging based trade management approach. It supports any currency pair on the 30 minutes time frame, according to what we saw on the MQL5 Marketplace page. And then also, it provides several adjustable parameters for position and basket management. Now, as always, make sure to perform your own testing and optimization before considering any live deployment. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.